Hey guys, welcome to our today's video. Today we will learn how to make 3D book cover in just 5 minutes. Before starting our video, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any update. So let's begin. First step is to make a 2D book cover. You can make it by using Canva. As I already have 2D cover, so I'm directly going to DIY book covers. The link is in description. After coming to this site, you have to click to book design. And after that click on 3D mockups. As you can see here, you can select any design. After selection, click to next and upload 2D cover. After uploading, click on next. Here you can see options to download your cover in PNG or JPG format. So thank you for watching this video. If you loved the video, please like, share, and let us know in comment box.